We live in a world where customers simply click on the buy button and voila, the product gets delivered at their doorstep in a matter of days. Hi, I'm Sesha, Business Development Manager for Europe. Today I'm going to talk about why order fulfillment centers are partnering with VisAI Labs. With current surge in e-commerce, order fulfillment centers are at crucial midpoint between production and delivery. With every step of the way, they must ensure that all customers receive exceptional experiences. Regardless of the size or value of delivery, they just can't compromise on the in-time product delivery anymore. But what about order fulfillment centers? How do they manage to continually increase business efficiency while managing razor-thin revenue margins? We at VisAI Labs understands that it may have been a bumpy road. But we also know that better managing your profit margin needs the right partner. VisAI Labs can automate your dimensioning needs with vMeasureParcelPro. As an order fulfillment center, you can now quickly and accurately dimension your parcels. No matter the shape, whether cuboidal, in poly bags, or even if they come in irregular shapes, you can get it done in under a second. The best part is vMeasureParcelPro order comes with unique financing option because we have always extended our support to small businesses. In turn, you can use your top-notch automated dimensioning capabilities to help your SMB customers. Some of our competitive advantages are increased throughput of your fulfillment center because accurate dimensioning can help you optimize many warehouse workflows. Increased operational efficiency by helping you accurately plan how much space and how many vehicles are required to move the packages. Significantly reduced costs from reconciling inaccurate measurements. If you are an order fulfillment center looking to enhance your customer experience and improve your profit margins, connect with us, sales@visailabs.com.